how to transfer PEPE from Trust Wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, open the Bybit account, and now we need to get the withdrawal address of the PEPE token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, tap on Assets, and now tap on Deposit. After that, what you need to do, just tap on Deposit Crypto, and as you can see from the search bar, now just type PEPE, and after that, tap on your token. So what you need to do here, just select the Ethereum as a network, and now just tap on copy address. Now go and open your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet, sorry. Now I will just enter the passcode and we'll just go back to your base. So as you can see here, if you don't find the PEPE token in the home page, what you need to do to add it to your wallet, what you need to do, just tap on Manage Crypto. From the all network, select the Ethereum as a network, and now tap on Search PEPE like that. And now I will just, as you can see, this is our token. Now just enable it to add it to your home page. Now go back to your home page. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, what you need to do, just tap on send. As you can see in the search here, just paste the withdrawal address and now tap the amount that you want to send. And as you can see, after that, tap on next. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer PEPE from Trust Wallet to Bybit. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.